why recruiting feels harder than ever, and what actually has changed. Hello, and welcome to today's episode. If recruiting feels harder right now, it's probably not because you're doing less. It's because you're still doing what used to work. And that's the part nobody's really saying out loud.
Yes. And can we talk about that for a second? Because I feel like so many people are doing everything that they've been told by their companies, by their uplines. Keep posting, keep showing up, keep messaging, keep following up. And it's just not landing the same as it used to, even though they're doing all the right things, but then the results aren't matching the effort anymore.
Yeah, and it's super frustrating because it makes you feel like it's you when really it's not you. It's the environment that has changed.
Yes. So I want to talk, like Brandy and I today on today's episode, we want to talk about what's actually changed, because I think people can feel it, but they can't really explain it. And the biggest thing is the advice most people are following was built for a completely different time. Like when cold messaging actually worked because social media was new.
Exactly. And when people weren't being pitched all day, every day, 24,000 hours every single day, right? When they hadn't seen the same scripts 100 times. Now it's like you can feel a pitch instantly.
Yes, I know that I can, right? Like I know when someone's messaging me, I'm like, I'm pretty sure this person's going to pitch me. And because of that, what used to work now creates that resistance with all of these perfect prospects that you're trying to attract. You're actually repelling them. And it's not that people don't want what you have. It's that the way it's being presented is just outdated and icky.
Yeah. So then the question becomes, well, what actually works now, right? And this is where things really simplify, because first you have to stop talking about your business first and start talking about what your audience is already thinking about.
Like their struggles or pain or what keeps them up at night.
Yeah, absolutely. Their frustrations, why they feel stuck, why nothing is working. That's what pulls people in.
Okay, so that makes sense because people don't really care about your opportunity until they feel understood, right?
Yeah, no, that's it. That's exactly it.
Okay, so what's the second piece?
You have to build trust before you ever try to convert somebody. And this is where people rush it. They post once and then they try to recruit. But trust comes from repetition, from someone seeing your content and thinking, that's exactly how I feel.
Ooh, yes, so good. Yeah. And it's like they're already halfway in before you even talk to them. Okay, so what's the third piece of
You
this?
need a simple path from content to conversation, because most people are either waiting and hoping or just randomly messaging and there's really no structure. So instead, you guide the next step, something simple like comment guide and I'll send it to you. Now it's permission based.
Yes, and I feel like that alone changes the energy completely. And this is literally what we've built everything inside Beach Boss around, is not going and chasing anybody and everybody, but instead allowing your content to do the effort for you. And the people that are commenting, because you're like, it's like they're raising their hand, right?
Mm-hmm.
Helping people stop chasing is the biggest thing, and actually have their content create conversations for them across different companies, across different comp plans, different audiences. It doesn't matter because it's the process that's the same.
Exactly, because this isn't about trends, right? It's about how people actually make decisions now.
Ooh, yes, and I think that this is the part that people don't realize. Like when this clicks, everything starts to feel different. Like you're not waking up thinking, oh, who do I message today? You're not second guessing every single post you post. You're not feeling like you're bothering people. Instead, people are coming to you already asking what you do. They literally are quite raising their hand saying, hey, like, I'm kind of interested in this, right? They're curious, they're open, and they're interested. And that's the biggest thing, is talking to people who are already interested is so much easier than talking to people that you're having.
Yeah. And now you're not like forcing it, right? That's the key. Like if you're not forcing it and you're just guiding the conversation, it makes it so much easier than trying to force what you're trying to do, right?
Yeah, it makes it feel lighter, right? And way more consistent.
Absolutely. So if you're like, okay, I get this, right? It makes sense, but I need to see how to actually do it. We put together a free guide that breaks down this step by step for you, like exactly how to turn your content into daily conversations. And you can grab it in the description below.
Yes. And if this helped you kind of rethink your approach a little bit, make sure you smash that subscribe button because we're going to keep simplifying this for you here on this channel. So make sure you hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next episode.